10 individual sa larangan ng siyensya ang kinilala ng Philippine Association for the Advancement of Science and Technology. Ayon sa Pangulo ng grupo at dating kalihim ng DOST na si Fortunato de la Peña, kasama sa kanilang tiningnan ay kung napakanyabangan ba ng publiko ang kanilang ginawa ngayong taon. Mula sa iba't ibang larangan, mga individual na kinilala gaya na lang sa genetics, freshwater science, sustainability, agriculture, engineering at digital governance.
Karamihan doon sa nabigyan ng awards ngayon, yung kanilang nagawa na naramdaman ng tao, no? Whether it was processing ng gulay, or whether it was the infectious diseases, or whether it is the e-health delivery na nararamdaman hanggang sa ibaba.
Ang ginawa ng team namin is to develop models kasi ang direction ng DOST at then ng NAST, the National Academy of Science and Technology, is on the use and deployment of bioplastics. They could be non-biomaterials, pero yung degradability niya, meaning yung time niya to decompose, kasi ang problema kasi ng plastic is that yung time to decompose niya would take like thousands, merong mga thousands or hundreds of years.